Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax in Venice, and I'm here with Captain Tom Healy. We're going to do a walkthrough of my brokerage listing 07497. So Tom, sitting here in the salon, what are some things you like about the boat?
Well, some things I really appreciate about the boat is the fact that the seating area right here, Jeremy, when you have guests on board the boat, it's a great conversational area. So,
Right.
in other words, you don't have everybody sitting just on one side of the boat facing the other. So you got a great conversational pit here. But take a look at these windows. Look at the visibility getting out of this boat. This is absolutely gorgeous for those weekends when you do have to stay inside the boat for, like today, maybe a little bit of inclement weather. Another thing that I really like and appreciate about this boat is this sky lounge here. Now, what's so nice about the sky lounge on this particular model that it's accessible by both sides. So many of them come in and you can only come in on one side and you come to a dead end.
Right.
And it really makes it hard for that person that's back in the corner there if they want to get up or excuse themselves from the table. And take a look at this galley area here. It is absolutely fantastic. And again, whoever's stuck in the galley doing the prep work has got great visibility once again. So one of the things I really appreciate about this boat is the visibility.
I tell you what, the lighting is great in here. This actually has a little bit of a European Italian design with the teardrop windows on the side.
And take a look at all the headroom clearance that we have here. It's absolutely huge. Great use and great volume of space here. As we come down the steps, there you go, Jeremy, I'll let you in there.
Okay.
Now, we have an in-suite head and a very large queen-size berth in the back here, actually over queen size. We also have in here
a washer
and dryer.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people will use this as a master stateroom, but what is so unique about this boat, you have a choice between two masters, and I think they both have something to offer. This one here, a little bit larger bed area, sleeping area, and of course it has washer dryer inside here, and again it does have the in-head, the suite in-head. It has a curtain here that simply pulls across and around for protection against the water. Like that little great use of space.
And I tell you what, for some of the ladies, if you're getting ready to go out or something like that, you've got a nice little sofa here and a lot of storage as well. And the natural lighting again, you can see outside. That's kind of cool.
Great visibility. Now, my personal preference, and I know it would be that of my wife's as well, we would take this as our master stateroom.
Okay.
Easy access to both sides of the bed. I like the elevated bed. It's got good lighting, good use of space. It has an actual vanity table in place with mirror. Like I said, wife's going to win out on that one right there. Television in suite. This also has an in-suite head with a separate shower that is truly a separate shower. As you can see there, you have the solid door enclosure. So again, this is a great great use of space, a lot of room. As you see.
And I tell you what, you probably have
probably
have 6.5 feet of headroom in here.
I do. It's got a lot of space, so you can use either one. That's what's so nice, especially if you're bringing guests aboard the boat. How nice is that you have separations from one room to another and you're not all next to each other?
I agree.
That can be very important in the middle of the night. Someone gets up and has a bathroom break. It's nice to have this separation between the two. So again, great boat, great layout. Love the sky lounge. I love all the big windows. You can see out from everywhere. When you're back here and you're entertaining, what a great entertainment area. Wine rack, TV. The boat really does have it all. If you're looking for a boat for cruising, heading down to the islands, or possibly even chartering, look no further than the 497 Cruisers.
All right. Thanks, Captain Tom. I appreciate it. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.